Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baik, eh, selamat malam teman-teman mahasiswa. eh, TOEFL preparation or TOEFL practice, yeah. Sorry, not TOEFL preparation, TOEFL practice. So today, I will explain about one of the tenses, which is past simple. Okay, so past simple itu nanti masuk ke verb to, ya. So we have a list of regular verbs nanti. Okay, so here we have past part 1 and past part 2. Okay, and then just a reminder, there are a couple of some of your friends that has not handed in the assignment, yeah, assignment for the midterm tests. Okay, there's some of you that hasn't handed in the assignment. Okay, so please, if you have the number of your friend who is forgotten, you can tell them that please hand it in the assignment, ya, atau you have to call Mr. Danang. Okay, so kita akan open. Okay. Astagfirullahaladzim. What's wrong with my computer? Excuse me, friends. Must always have a problem like this one. Okay, so I'll be using Betty Azar, yeah, for the material. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Okay, so in past time using be, ya. So if at present we'll use be itu adalah am is are. Oke, ya teman-teman, am is are dalam bentuk present, ya. Jadi ini saya akan mengilas balik benang merah untuk basicnya dulu, ya. So I want you to understand the basic. Jadi kalau basic kita atau pondasi kita itu kuat untuk basicnya, itu otomatis bahasa Inggris akan easy, ya. Jadi untuk bahasa Inggris, untuk mengenal bentuk lampau yang be itu adalah was, were, hanya dua itu aja. Tapi kalau yang present itu bentuk dasar bentuk be-nya itu adalah am, I am, he, she, it pakainya is, you, we, they pakainya are, you, we, they are. Tapi kalau pakai your itu pakainya is, ya. Jadi your itu pakainya is, bukan you, your, are, no. What's your name? What is your name? Oke, so present time ya, bentuk be-nya itu adalah am, I am. Nah, kalau bentuk past time-nya adalah atau bentuk lampaunya adalah I was. Nah, kalau past time atau past simple itu selalu ada keterangan waktunya, yaitu yesterday, last week ya, 2 days ago ya, ada kata ago-nya. And then June is here today. June is here today. June was here yesterday. We are happy today. We are happy yesterday. Okay, and then simple past tense of be ya. We were, I was, you were sama. She was, he was, it was ya. Dan pluralnya they were. Oke. Okay. Jadi ini bentuk singularnya untuk past tense ya. I was, he, she, it was, you were, we were, and they were. Oke, okay, simple past tense of be itu adalah was ya. And then we, you, they adalah were. Oke. Okay. Was itu ada singular, were adalah jamak. Ya, ingat-ingat ya teman-teman. Oke, okay, let's practice here. Ada kata be with present. Apa ini yang present with be? Oke, okay, yes, I am at work. Kalau pastnya ada kata yesterday. Selalu kalau ada past tense atau past time itu selalu ada keterangan waktunya, yesterday, last week, atau 2 weeks ago, 2 days ago ya. Yesterday, last, and ago ya. I was at work yesterday. Present, he is in the pool today. Oke, kalau pastnya ada kata last week. Oke, he was in the pool yesterday. The moon is huge tonight. The moon was huge last night. Okay, present. The water is warm today. Berarti kalau pastnya adalah the water was warm yesterday ya. Okay. I was not in class yesterday. Nah, ini negatif ya. Ingat kalau negatif ada kata not-nya selalu. Bahasa Inggris tuh kalau dia menyatakan ya not menyatakan negatif itu selalu ada kata not-nya. I was not in class yesterday. She wasn't in class yesterday. Okay. I was not singkat atau in abbreviation wasn't. You were not home last night. You weren't home last night. We were not menjadi weren't. Okay. We weren't, you weren't, they weren't. Okay, let's practice. Jaren is in class this morning, but yesterday dia enggak. Jadi Jaren wasn't. He wasn't in class yesterday. They are in London tonight, but they aren't, or they weren't in London. They weren't in London last night. Maaf teman-teman. Okay, let's practice. I'm happy today. I wasn't happy yesterday. The weather is nice this week, but it wasn't nice last week. Okay, wasn't. Okay, now kalau question ya, karena di sini sudah ada kata bantunya was ya, maka kita tinggal meletakkan was atau wordnya itu di depan. Oke. Okay. Were you in class yesterday? Yes, we were. We were in class yesterday. Atau no, we weren't. We weren't in class yesterday. Was Jean at the library last week? Yes, she was. Sorry. Yes, she was at the library last week. No, she wasn't at the library last week. Where was Bill last winter? In Mexico. He was in Mexico last winter. Where were they last month? On vacation. They were on vacation last month. Okay, let's practice. Andrea in class on Friday? No. Well, was Andrea in class on Friday? No, she wasn't. She wasn't in class on Friday. Oke, bentuk pertanyaan. You and Simi at the lake last week. Ada dua orang, maka jamak pakainya were. Were you and Simi at the lake last week? Yes, we were. We were at the lake last week. Nina, with you last week. Nina is nama orang, berarti is it. Berarti was. Was Nina with you last week? No, she wasn't. She wasn't with me. Okay, simple past tense using ed. Nah, ini adalah bentuk regular, ya. Kata regular itu adalah di mana setiap bentuknya itu tidak berubah. Nah, hanya ditambahkan ed aja, ya. Kata dasar kerjanya tidak berubah dan hanya ditambahkan ed, itu namanya regular verb. Okay, simple present. Walk. We walk to school every day. Past, simple pastnya dari kata walk ada walked. We walked to school yesterday. Nah, di sini yang saya maksud kata dasar kerjanya itu tidak berubah adalah ini, walk. Kata dasarnya pertama walk. Apakah berubah? Tidak, ya, hanya ditambahkan ed aja. Jadi w sama, a-nya sama, ll-nya sama, k-nya juga sama, tinggal hanya tambahkan ed. Nah, ini adalah namanya regular verb, ya. Regular verb itu dari kata dasarnya tidak berubah dan hanya ditambahkan ed aja. Oke. Oke, Hakim walks to school every day. Hakim adalah he, she, it. Hakim nama orang, yaitu it. Maka setiap ketemu he, she, it, tambahkan s kata kerjanya. Hakim walked to school yesterday. Walked, ya, walked, walk. Okay. And then verb ed, the simple past. I, you, he, she, he, it, we, they, ya, walked. Dan verbnya tambahkan ed, walked. Every day I brush my teeth. Yesterday I brushed my teeth. Okay, brushed adalah ed. Every day Julie plays the piano. Yesterday she played the piano. Every day Edgar cooks. Yesterday he cooked. Excuse me. Alhamdulillah. Okay, past time word ada kata yesterday, last, and ago. Nah, ini ya. Setiap keterangan waktu itu setiap kata past simple itu selalu ada keterangan waktunya. Bob and Helen were here yesterday. Bob was here yesterday. Ya, yesterday bisa digunakan banyak sekali. Ada yesterday, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, ya. Itu adalah macam-macam dari bentuk kata yesterday. Okay. And ada kata berikutnya last. Nah, Eve was here last night, last week, last month, last year, last spring, okay, last summer, last Monday, last Friday. Nah, ini bisa last ini banyak sekali ya. Ada bentuk day, ya, day as in morning, afternoon, night, ya, atau week, ya, last week, last, ya, seminggu, ya, last week, okay. And then month, ya, sebulan, last month, dan bahkan tahun, last year. And then season atau musim, last spring, last summer, last winter, ya, and then the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, makanya last Monday, last Friday. Okay, and then Omar was here ago. Nah, ini adalah kata ago, adalah keterangan waktu yang sudah lampau juga. So we have 5 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, 6 days ago, a month ago, a year ago, 10 years ago. Ya, ini adalah keterangan waktu yang selalu digunakan dalam bentuk simple past atau keterangan waktu yang sudah lampau. And then we have yesterday, ya. Yesterday itu pasangannya morning, afternoon, evening. Okay. And then last itu pasangan dengan night atau a period of times, jangka waktu, ya, season, musim, days of the week, hari dari hari dalam seminggu, ya. And then the length of time. Nah, ini juga length of time adalah kita pakainya kata ago, ya, jangka waktu, ya, 5 minutes, 2 hours, 6 days ago, a month ago, 5 months ago, 1 year ago, 10 years ago, ya. Ini kalau ini pakainya ago, oke. Okay? Jadi pastikan ingat aja ada kata yesterday, last, dan juga ago. Kalau ada keterangan itu berarti bentuk kalimatnya adalah past. Oke, okay? Past simple. Verbnya adalah verb to. Okay, let's practice here. Ada kata yesterday and last. Went to the movie. Pakai yesterday afternoon atau last afternoon? Yesterday afternoon, benar. I called you. Yesterday week atau last week? Last week. Janice left for South America. Apakah yesterday morning atau last morning? Ya, adalah yesterday morning. The sky was beautiful. Apakah last night atau yesterday night? Last night. Okay, we go to simple past, bentuknya regular verb 1 atau group 1. Nah, ini adalah yang sering terkecoh digunakan setiap murid-murid yang belajar tentang bahasa Inggris. Ini selalu terkecoh, ya. So we have here eat menjadi ate. Nah, irregular verb ini adalah dari kata dasarnya itu selalu berubah, tidak sama dari kata dasarnya. Kata dasarnya apa ini? Kata dasarnya eat. Apakah sama dengan eated pakai ed? No, eat berubah jadi ate. Ya, ini namanya irregular verb, kata kerja yang tidak beraturan. Maksudnya apa tidak beraturan? Ya, dari kata dasar tidak sama dengan kata berikutnya atau the one that we use for the past simple. Oke, ini grup pertama ya, teman-teman harus insya Allah harus hafal. Ada come, came. I come home every afternoon. I came home this afternoon. Go menjadi went. I go swimming every Tuesday. I went swimming last Tuesday. Write, wrote. I write a letter to my grandmother every week. I wrote a letter to her last week. Okay, and then let's practice it. I have an ice cream. I have ice cream every Sunday. I had ice cream last Sunday. What did you do last Sunday? I have apa had? I had ice cream. She sits at her desk to study every night. She sat at her desk last night. What did she do last night? She sat at her desk. Okay, sit becomes sat. She her best friend every weekend. She saw her last week. See menjadi saw. What did she do last week? She saw her friend. She saw her best friend. Okay, past simple negative, of course kita tahu ya, negatif pakai katanya not. Nah, di sini kalau bentuknya adalah negatif juga dibantu dengan kata kerja did, ya. atau sorry, do menjadi did. I did not walk to school yesterday. Oke, kalau negatif harus kasih kata bantunya did atau do ya. Dari bentuk presentnya adalah do, pastnya adalah did. I did not drive to work yesterday. You did not drive to work yesterday. Mike did not cook dinner yesterday. They did not drive to work yesterday. I, you, he, she, he, it, we, they. Did not and then main verb. Nah, did not ini adalah kata kerja bantu. Ya, kata kerja bantu yang utama adalah be, do, have. Be yaitu am, is, are, was, were. Do adalah do dan did dan does. Okay, sorry. And then have adalah have, had and has. Have, has and had. I didn't catch a movie. I didn't also catch. I didn't watch a movie last night. They didn't play soccer yesterday. Negative contraction. Did not becomes didn't. Okay, we did not eat breakfast every day. We ate breakfast Monday, but we didn't eat. Sorry, don't menjadi didn't ya. Didn't dan verbnya ini kembali ke verb 1 eat ya. Kenapa ini verb 1? Karena udah diwakili oleh pakai kata did ya. Jadi did ini adalah past. Nah, eat ini harusnya bentuknya 1, bukan didn't ate. No. Ya, yang salah ate, harusnya didn't eat. I don't sleep well every night. I slept well last night, but I didn't sleep well on Thursday night. Okay, any question? Yes or no question? Did Lauren walk to work? Okay, did juga sama ya. Negative and question dikasih kata pembantunya did. Yes, she did. She walked to work. Okay, she walked to work. No, she didn't. She didn't walk to work. Okay. Yes, she did. I practiced the violin. Did you practice the violin? Yes, I did. I practiced the violin. Did you practice the violin? No, I didn't. I didn't practice the violin. Okay, let's practice here. Did you see your dad today? Yes, I did. I see him yesterday. Oh, sorry, I saw my dad today. Yes, I did. I saw my brother today. Did you see your brother today? Yes, I did. What What did you do last night? What did you do last night? We went to a party last night. Yes, she did. Andrea went on vacation. Did Andrea go on vacation? Yes, he did. Okay, and then verb 2. Okay, regular verb 2. Bring jadi brought. Nah, bukan bring no. Bring ini menjadi brought ya. Bring, brought. Bring, brought. I always bring a gift to birthday parties. I bought a gift to your party yesterday. Drive, drove. She drove to school. She drove to school today. Run, ran. He runs to school. He ran to school this morning. Buy, bought. Catch, caught. Drink, drank. Read, read. Nah, ini yang agak susah ya. Tulisannya sama, tapi pengucapannya beda. Pertama adalah read, dan kedua adalah read. Read, read. Red as in color. Red, the color red ya. Jadi pengucapnya color red. Tapi tulisannya sama, read. Ride, rode. Shut, shut. Teach, taught. Think, thought. Okay, my horse every Sunday. I ride my horse every Sunday. I rode him last Sunday. What did you do last Sunday? your horse. What did I do last Sunday? You rode your horse. I teach a class every Monday night. I taught a class last Monday night. What did I do last Monday night? You taught a class. Oke, group 3 sekarang. Nah, ini agak banyak sih. Someone broke the window. Break jadi broke. Break, broke. That child breaks everything. She broke my coffee cup. Meet, met. Can I meet you after school? They met in their English class. Sing, sang. I like to sing new song. I sang a new song last night. Wake up, woken up. Wake up, woke up. Sometimes I wake up every day. Today I woke up late. Fly, flew. Hear, heard. Leave, left. Pay, paid. Ring, rang. Send, sent. Send. I send a letter. I sent it yesterday. Speak, spoke. Take, took. I sent email every day. I sent email today. What did I do today? You sent email. I sing in my car every day. Yesterday I sang a new song. What did I do yesterday? You sang a new song. Okay, group 4, begin, began. Begin, began. People usually begin college at 18. She began college at 25. Wear, wore. I wear a uniform at my new job. I wore regular clothes at my old job. Find, found. Lose, lost. Hang, hung. Say, said. Sell, sold. Steal, stole. Tell, told. Tear, tore. Okay, let's practice. I like to sell thing I don't use anymore. Yesterday I sold my old baseball. What did I do yesterday? You sold your old baseball. I always hang my tools on my garage wall. Last week I hung the rake on the garage wall. What did I do yesterday? You hung your rake on the garage wall. Okay, so this is the first what you call it? The first past simple, yeah. So still have time. Let's go to the second one. If the time is not memungkinkan because this place is going to shut down, ya, atau mau ditutup karena sudah malam. So we will see what happen next, ya. Okay, using past time be negative, using ed. Okay, kita pakai yang kok part 1 lagi. Sorry, not this one. Part 2. Kok part 1 lagi. Bentar teman-teman. Part 1 tadi udah, yang part 2. Astagfirullahaladzim. Coba kita lihat di sini. Oke, sebentar. Coba tanya gambar. La ilaha illallah. Kalau nggak bisa kita masukkan nanti dari regular verbnya itu. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Astagfirullahaladzim. La ilaha illallah. Sudah, maaf ya teman-teman. Astagfirullahaladzim. Oke, namanya nggak bisa. Oke, I think that's all will be for today ya. Since I cannot access ini, coba kita try one more time. Nggak bisa access ininya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya, it cannot. Kayaknya nggak bisa ya teman-teman untuk membuka berikutnya ini. Tadi bisa, namun kok kayaknya dia nge-crash. Problem with verbs dulu coba. Oke, alhamdulillah. Yang ini bisa kebuka. Tadi malam saya tidak bisa tidur, jadi hari ini agak kurang enak badan dan makannya pun juga tidak karuan. Nah, biar wordsnya dulu di oke, wordsnya ini. Oke ya, jadi ini kemarin oke, kemarin udah sampai sini ya. Tensesnya about the future. Nah ini ada simple past form ya. How to make regular past form. Semua kata kerja berakhir dengan ed ini adalah regular. Oke. Ya, jadi ini kalau ketemu y dan huruf hidup ya, y dan huruf hidup itu tinggal tambahkan ed. Sedangkan kalau y dengan huruf mati atau consonant itu y-nya berubah jadi I dan tambahan ed, cry, cried. studied. Okay. Then we have here, we often use the simple past to talk about when things happen. We use the simple past, not the present perfect. Have seen. Nah, ini have seen adalah present perfect ya, with finish time expression. Jadi kalau bentuknya apa, simple past itu hanya menerangkan bentuk lampaunya saja, tidak ada berkaitan dengan sekarang ya. Kalau present perfect itu ada berkaitan dengan sekarang. With finish time expression, I left school in 1990. Udah, nggak ada kejadian apa lagi. I didn't see Anne yesterday. Dan ini sudah kejadian sudah yesterday, nggak ada hubungan dengan sekarang. What time did you arrive? At 9, at 10, at 11 in the past. Jadi belum menyentuh waktu present ya. I was that I have seen that film last week. Kok I was sih? I saw. Astaga, I saw that film yesterday. Not I have seen that film last week. Did you pay William on Sunday? No, have you paid? Did you pay William on Sunday? Okay, yeah. Then we often use the simple past for things that happen one after another. For example, in stories, he parked his car, went into station and bought a ticket. Then he had a cup of coffee and blah blah blah. So the simple past is used for complete action that happened at one specific time in the past. John went to Spain last year. Bob bought a new bicycle yesterday. We drove to the grocery store this afternoon. Okay, and then past progressive nanti ya masih bentuknya adalah ing. Okay, coba kita akan close this one. Yes, we save it. Nah, ini adalah bentuk yang kedua sekarang ya. Okay. Now, simple past using where, when, what, time, and why. Okay. Did you go home? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Where did you go home? Were you at home? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Where were you? Home. Did you drive because you were late? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Why did you drive? Because I was late. Did Ali go at 6? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. What time did Ali go at 6? What time did Ali go at 4? When did Ali go at 4? Okay, what time ini pakai when ya. When ini adalah kapan. Okay. Okay, we're at 4, 12 o'clock, around 4 ya. On Friday. Okay, what time did Ali go at 4? What atau when? Oh, when did Ali go? At 4, at 12 o'clock, around 4:30 last month. Jadi kalau when ini bisa macam-macam ya, tapi kalau what time itu hanya menerangkan waktunya aja. Tapi kalau when ini bisa time, bisa day, bisa month. Okay. Nah, time ini hanya keterangan waktu, sedangkan when ini various, ini bisa macam-macam ya. Okay, to learn English, I went to class to learn English. What time? Why did you go? Sorry, not what time. Why did you go to class? Yes, I did. I had breakfast. Did you eat breakfast? Okay, nothing. I didn't eat anything. What did you eat for breakfast? Okay, sekarang question with what? Okay, kalau kita ketemu WH question itu pasti lebih dulu di WH question ya. Jadi letak WH questionnya itu lebih dulu, baru helping verbnya ya. Do atau did, subject, and then main verb, kata kerja yang asli. Okay, this one and this one sama ya. Yes, she is eating an apple. What is Jen eating? An apple. She's eating an apple. Okay, subject, verb, and object. Sam drank some milk. Okay, object of verb. What did Sam drink? Okay. A movie. What did they see? A movie. They saw a movie. What did she got? What did she get for your birthday? What did you get for your birthday? What do you like to do? What do you like to do? Fish. They like to fish. And then who ini siapa ya, what ini apa. Okay, what ini apa. Okay, dia bisa menanyakan objeknya, bisa juga menanyakan objeknya ya. Okay, and then who, siapa. What did she see? A bird. Who did she see? Oscar. She saw Oscar. What itu adalah thing, kalau who itu untuk people ya. Jadi kalau untuk benda itu kita pakainya what, tapi kalau untuk orang kita pakainya who. Okay, who did she see? Oscar. She saw Oscar. Whom did she see? Oscar. She saw Oscar. Who and whom sama ya. Whom itu untuk formal English, and who itu untuk ya everyday English ya. Whom atau who did she see? Oscar. Who atau whom is object of verb ya. Object of verb yang ditanyakan berarti yang jawab answernya juga harus object of verb. Who came? Zoe came. Who did that? Pedro did that. Who knows her? Leah. Kalau who kalau whom adalah objek, tapi kalau who adalah subject. Mariella emailed Abby. Abby read the message. Abby called Mariella. Who emailed Abby? Mariella. Who read the email? Abby. Who called Mariana? Abby. Jalal bought a new car. His daughter Amin borrowed it. She took Jane for a ride. Who bought a new car? Jalal. Who borrowed it? Amin. Who went for a ride with Amin? Jane. How much did your car cost? Oke, sekarang bentuk yang kelima ada cost. How much does it cost? How much did it cost last year? Forgot. I forget your birthday. I forgot your birthday last year. Gave. She gave me her nice gift. Yesterday she gave me a CD. Cut. Hit. Hurt. Lend. Made. Shut. Spent. Understood. Did you shut the oven door? Yes, I shut the oven door. Did you make the cake for me? Yes, I made it for you. Birthday. Sometimes I spend too much money. I know last week you spent 200. Okay, group 6 sekarang. Blue. Blue. Sometimes the wind blows hard. Last week it blew very hard. Grew. He grew tomatoes in his garden. He grew many tomatoes last year. Swam. We swam in the ocean in the summer. We swam in the ocean last summer. Drew. Fall. Fell. Feel. Felt. Keep. Kept. Know. Knew. Throw. Through. Win. Won. What did you grow in your garden? I grew tomatoes. Sometimes he falls off his bicycle. I know he fell off his bicycle yesterday. Okay, bentuk ketujuh sekarang, group 7. Became. You become a doctor. Elisa became a doctor last year. Okay, built. Mom built office building. She built a new one. Bent, bit, fed, fight, fought, hide, hid, hold, held, shake, shook, When I am scared, I hide. Yesterday I saw a snake, I hid. What did you do when I saw the snake? You hid. Every afternoon we fed double ed the horses. We feed sorry feed the horses. We fed them today. What did you do at 3 this afternoon? You fed the horses. Okay, before and after in time clauses. They ate dinner before I arrived. We ate dessert after I arrived. They ate dinner is a main clause, a complete sentence. Before I arrived is a time clause, okay, in a complete sentence. They ate dinner, main clause. Before I arrived, time clause. Before I arrived, they ate dinner. Oke, bedanya apa ini? Jadi ingat-ingat ya, dalam bahasa Inggris kalau main clause itu tidak ada koma di sini ya. Main clause, time clause, full stop. Tapi kalau main clause-nya lebih dulu, before I arrive, harus ada koma. Koma, they ate dinner. Ya. A time clause must use connect with a main clause. A time clause must connect with a main clause. Okay, time clause itu harus connection dengan time clause atau main clause. Time clause harus connect to the main clause. They ate dinner before I arrived. Main clause, time clause. Before I arrived, they ate dinner. Time clause, main clause. Okay, main clause, time clause, main clause. Harus ada komanya ya. Ingat, tadi di sini nggak ada koma, tapi di sini ada koma karena time clause lebih dahulu. Before I arrived, comma, they ate dinner. We ate dessert after I arrived. Before, subject plus verb. After, subject plus verb. Time clause. We ate dessert after I arrived. After I arrived, comma, we ate dessert. I read a book after dinner. I watch TV before dinner. After plus noun, before plus noun, prepositional phrase. Time clause yang mana ini? Before. Okay, before we move to Marion, we live in California. Okay, next one. Time clause yang mana? Before the test. Main clause-nya, I studied very hard. Time clause yang mana ini? After we studied. Main clause-nya, we went out. Okay, when in time clause, when the rain stopped, we took a walk. When the rain stopped, we took a walk. When the rain stopped, comma, we took a walk. Atau we took a walk when the rain stopped. Okay, when can introduce a time clause. When Arrondo was young, he lived in Peru. Or Arrondo lived in Peru when he was young. When did the snow stop? A question complete sentence. When the snow stopped, a time clause. A time clause equals not a sentence. Yeah. When he served dinner, I sat down and eat. Okay, when she went swimming, she got wet. When Josie wore her new shoes, her feet hurts. Okay. Present progressive and the past progressive. Bedanya apa ini? Alexis is shopping. Alexis was shopping. Present progressive. It's noon now. Angie is eating lunch. Past progressive. I saw her at noon yesterday. She was eating lunch. It's noon, I'm eating lunch. It's noon, Jung is eating lunch. It's noon, we are eating lunch. Past progressive form was eating. We're going to class. Okay. When I saw my teacher, she was looking at her watch. When I arrived, the students were taking the test. When the class started, he was sitting in his seat. Mary went to her yoga class last night. Class started at 5 and ended at 7. Using while with the past progressive. She had fun while she was flying. While she was flying, she had fun. Okay, while plus subject plus verb a time clause. Activity in progress, activity in happen. Okay, jadi using while, activity in progress itu she was flying, but activity happened, she had fun. While she was flying, activity in progress, she had fun. He was fixing his car, he hurt his back. While he was fixing his car, he hurt his back. While I was driving to work, it started snowing. He was running to work, he looked at his watch. While he was running to work, he looked at his watch. He looked at his watch while he was running to work. Okay, the mouse appeared while I was studying. I was studying when the mouse appeared. The news was on while I was working. While I was working, the news was on. While clause is verb often past progressive. While clause verb often past progressive. While clause verb often simple past. While I was watching the news this morning, my cell phone rang. When my phone rang, I was watching TV. Ben was working hard when I saw him. Okay, simple past and past progressive. Kyung emailed me last week. I was studying when Kyung emailed me. Oke, jadi ini ada kejadian yang panjang dipotong oleh kejadian pendek, yaitu simple past ya. Kyung emailed me this morning. I studied for 2 hours on Monday. We visited my mom on Saturday. They watched a movie last night. Began and ended in the past. Jadi ini kegiatan yang awalnya di waktu lampau dan berakhir di waktu lampau. Past progressive. I was cooking when Jill came over last night. When I was cooking last night, Jill came over. Studying in progress. Activity in progress. Jadi kegiatan yang sedang berjalan. When another action happen. Ketika ada kegiatan lain yang dipotong atau tiba-tiba datang ya. Jadi I was cooking, lagi cooking. When tiba-tiba dipotong oleh Jill came over last night. While I was cooking last night, Jill came over. Kita bisa pakai when atau bisa pakai kata while. I ordered dinner when the waiter came over. First adalah the waiter came over. The second, I ordered dinner. I ordered dinner when the waiter came over. When the movie ended, I walked out. When the movie ended, I was walking out. Okay, when the movie ended, pertama kegiatannya movie ended, I walk out kedua. Tapi kalau pakai when the movie ended, I was walking out. Ya, jadi I was walking out, the movie ended. When the bell, when the bell rang, we went home. I was sleeping. My dog ran away. When I met my wife, I was living in Berlin. Oke, ya baik, ini udah berakhir. Aduh. Past tense 1 dan 2 sudah berakhir ya teman-teman. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time ya. Jadi kemarin an auxiliary verb dan sekarang adalah simple past yang grupnya, yaitu regular dan irregular verb. Irregular verbnya dari grup 1 sampai grup 7. Nah, itu harus dihafal ya. Ingat-ingat lagi, mungkin nanti tesnya dari grup-grup yang ada di regular atau irregular verbsnya gitu. Oke, sekian dulu dari saya. Thank you very much. Dan mohon maaf bila ada kata-kata ataupun perbuatan ya, mohon maaf tadi ini emang agak hang main komputernya. Semoga teman-teman sehat selalu. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.